Hey family, welcome back again to another video. Hope you are doing great. Hope you are doing amazing. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Welcome home. Welcome home. Where have you been? So guys, let's go ahead to quickly formulate a DIY hair growth treatment serum. This treatment serum is amazing. We will be making an overnight treatment serum containing onion and black seed with other amazing ingredients. So if you have been following us, you know that black seed is one ingredient that we normally use on this channel. It is very, very effective, and it has been helping a lot in hair issue like alopecia, dandruff, hair loss, hair thinning, breakage, just name it. It is an all-in-one treatment seed. Like, this treatment seed is amazing. If you have the powdered form or the seed form, just go ahead to grab it and blend it up. Just go ahead to blend it up if you have the seed. So if you have the powder, just go ahead to put it in a cup, stainless cup like this. All right guys, so we are going to be making use of olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice, like avocado, like grapeseed, like sunflower, coconut oil, a whole lot of oil out there guys. So if you want to use any oil, because I normally get those type of question, so you can use any oil of your choice. I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil into my cup right here, and you can double the oil or double the treatment depending on the amount that you are trying to make. So I'm going to be making use of this little amount. Then I'm going to be also adding in onion is very, very powerful. Onion help in the treatment of dry itchy scalp, hair loss, dandruff, and also it has antifungal properties, antimicrobial properties. And also a 2014 study of 38 people tested the effectiveness of using onion juice to treat alopecia. Onions has anti-inflammatory properties. It also help in soothing the scalp and also help with itchy scalp. So we are going to be making use of just a little bit of red onion. You can also use any type of onion, but I prefer this onion because it contains a high amount of sulfur. The rich sulfur content in onion minimizes hair thinning and nourishes our hair follicles. It has antimicrobial, antibacterial, and also help it in treating dandruff. So you are going to dice the onion and add it into your cup or your bowl or your glass jar, whichever you are using, whichever you are going to use in infusing this treatment guys. So I'm going to be making my oil to be very, very potent. That is why it is looking like that. So as you guys can see, there's a lot of onion and also the seed, and the oil is very, very little. I want it to be potent. This is going to be an overnight hair treatment, and I'm going to be using all of it. So guys, go ahead to do the double boiler method. As you guys can see, go ahead to put a water on the top of your stove and put the cup on top just to get it hot or heated. This is going to slowly infuse the treatment into our oil, and after about 5 minutes or more, I am going to bring it down, let it cool down, and then go ahead to strain it guys. So this treatment is amazing. Alright family, so this is what it looks like. We are going to be taking 1 full tablespoon of the oil into a little bowl like this, and then we'll be making use of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is very important in this. You can use the store bought aloe vera gel, which is 100% aloe vera gel. So this aloe vera gel, you can use it for your face, you can use it for your body, you can use it for your hair as well. It is 100% natural and also 99% organic. So this aloe vera, I'm going to be leaving the link to all of these ingredients in the description box. And also, yeah, you can use the homemade aloe vera as well. But I just find this very, very simple. You don't have to waste your time peeling the aloe vera, and then now the aloe vera plant has a whole lot of work. So if you can buy the aloe vera gel, just go ahead to buy it to, save yourself some time. So guys, yeah, then this is the serum. It is absolutely very simple and it is ready. Just go ahead to mix everything together. Make sure to mix it properly. Okay, so this serum is amazing. It will help to grow your hair. It will help to, suit your scalp, especially your scalp. If your scalp is healthy, then your hair is going to grow amazingly. We are going to be using this treatment overnight, and when applying this treatment, your hair is going to love it. It is going to help with blood stimulation, blood circulation, and hair shedding is going to reduce, guys. The black seed is an effective remedy for hair loss and hair thinning. It leaves your hair strong and shiny. So hair shedding is a phenomenon that is experienced by everyone. So losing between 50 and 100 strands of hair every day is normal, but anything more than that is something else. Then you want to try out this home remedy, because whatever the reason is for your hair shedding, for your hair breaking, for your hair scalp issue, this homemade all-in-one treatment is amazing. As soon as you apply this treatment, you are going to start feeling a tingling sensation, guys. So it helps with blood circulation. It helps your scalp to strive and become healthy. So right now I am just removing my band that I use in securing my hair, and then I'm going to start applying the treatment all over my scalp. Like, this is an amazing hair serum treatment that you can make, that is very, very simple. Right now I am just using my hand to, detangle my hair, and then I am going to be applying this treatment all over my scalp, giving my hair a massage, and rubbing all of that treatment in. Like, this treatment, I can testify by it. It is amazing. Like, I love the serum. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you guys make this hair serum for yourself. You can leave this serum in for overnight and then wash it off the next day with a mild shampoo. Make sure to focus on your edges. If you are having edges, hair loose, if your edges are thinning, if your edges are breaking, go ahead to apply this treatment on the problem area if you are having any problem area. And if you are not having any problem area, go ahead to focus this treatment only on your scalp and in the ends of your hair. And yeah, guys, I absolutely love it. Like, the next day after applying this treatment, my hair was really, really soft. I can't stress this enough. Make sure to pay attention to your scalp. Apply this all over your scalp in section. Okay, as you guys can see, I am sectioning my hair, applying it all over my scalp. After I am done applying it all over my scalp, I am then going to focus the remaining one on my hair and in the ends of my hair. Just a little, rub it in on my hand and then rub it on my hair. I will try to detangle my hair just a little bit, because this is not a detangling treatment. This is actually a serum treatment for the scalp. So this is me just using my hand because I have fussy hair. We all know that this type of hair, you every time we detangle carefully, because if not, your hair is going to break. So if you have fine hair or straighter hair, it is easier. All right, family, I hope you guys enjoyed watching as much as I did enjoyed filming and editing this video. Like, I am just here staring at my hair. Like, it has tremendously changed for the better. The thickness, the length, everything is amazing. My hair, if you have been following me for a while now, or you have been following us for a very long time, you can see that there is power in natural remedy. Like, natural hair does grow, and also natural ingredients does help in growing your hair. You don't have to believe and rely on chemicals. Okay, guys, like, this is so amazing. I hope you guys find this treatment helpful. Like, my scalp was already telling me that this is working. Like, I love this treatment. I want you guys to try this treatment out. You guys are going to see a result in using it for the very first time. Your scalp is going to tell you. Like, just go ahead to try it out. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Give it a huge thumbs up. Can you guys see the shine? Can you guys see the shine? Alright guys, give this video a huge thumbs up. Give it a like. If we can get to 500 like, then I am going to be uploading my leave-in serum, guys. My hair growth leave-in serum. That serum, you don't need to wash it out. This one, you have to wash it out, but the second treatment serum, you don't have to wash it out, guys. If only we can get to 500 like, okay, on this video, give it a huge thumbs up now, so that I will prepare myself to film the leave-in serum for you guys, also with aloe vera. Thank you guys for watching this video, and go ahead to make yours, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Bye for now, guys, and stay blessed.